Hi friends, welcome back to Summer Hill. Or if you're new here, welcome for the first time. I'm so glad you've come to join me here today. So today is the day. I have finally finished all the decorating in the main living areas and I am bringing you on a Christmas home tour. I hope you enjoy watching this home tour, so grab something warm to drink and something cozy to wrap up on your sofa or in your favorite chair and sit back and just enjoy as I take you around the house and show you all the decorations. But before we do that, we're gonna go light some of the candles and the little gingerbread houses so that everything's lit on the tour. So let's get started. This year, as we deck the halls, we're escaping the pages of a beloved classic Louisa May Alcott novel, Little Women. Velvet ribbons whisper secrets by the fire, a symphony of candles flicker like starlight, and rich hues of burgundy and gold paint a storybook Christmas across the living room, dining room, and entryway. Step into a world where cozy meets grand, where family gathers and laughter spills like hot cocoa on a frosty night. Now that everything is lit, I want to welcome you in to this year's 2023 Christmas Home Tour. Through the kitchen door, a different chapter unfolds. Farmhouse red and white dance a holiday jig across the kitchen, butler's pantry, and cozy sitting room. It's a winter wonderland where gingerbread dreams scent the air and every corner begs for a snowball fight. So join us, won't you, as we celebrate the season with a touch of literary magic and a whole lot of Christmas cheer. Thank you so much for joining me here this year at Life on Summer Hill, and I hope you have enjoyed this Christmas home tour 2023. I am so excited to be already planning things for 2024, so please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future episodes. We have lots of exciting things planned for the new year. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you soon. Bye. you.